Alrighty, welcome back. I'm doing an oil change on the 62. This video is sponsored by Fram, and I'm going to be using the Fram Ultra Synthetic Oil Filter. I'm just changing the oil right at the present moment. I've drained the oil out of it. And the reason I'm doing that is because I'm having flooding issues. I bought my Fram filter at the local Canadian Tire store, and you can get it at any part source location. So that's where you can get it if you want to buy one. And right now I'm just changing the oil. I've had a flood, like I said, I've had a flooding issue, and I want to change the oil. I want to thank Fram for sponsoring me, because this is a time in my need. And for me, Fram has always been a go-to filter. It's been quality filtration since I've known filters, I guess, and I appreciate it. What I like about the Fram filter, I must be honest, and it's pretty simple and it's pretty easy, is it's got this shore grip texture on the bottom of it. Generally you get the painted ones and they're hard to get off. There you go. That's what I like right there. I like it easy. That's what I like. I like that textured grip. Believe me. All right. Okay, let's put this one on. I'm going to put a little oil around the lip of it just to make it easy. I just like make it easy. Just put a little oil around the lip of it. Make sure I got it dry up around there. Oh, take that off. Make sure you always take off the rubber seal, because you have a new one right on your new filter. Just cleaning that off. Make sure it's clean. Yeah, it's hand tight. Be fine. Or lower her down, put some oil in it. Clean my mess up. And put some oil in it. Also, when I was at Canadian Tire, I bought this Fram Fresh Breeze cabin air filter cleaner. It has Arm & Hammer odor eliminator in it. And with what's going on today, I would think that everybody would want to change their cabin filter on their vehicles and stuff like that. Take out the pollen, pollution, the dirt, whatever. Alrighty, but I guess basically the most thing I have to do now is let her down, put some oil back in it, and I want to thank Fram. Appreciate it.